Can AI replace teachers? Exploring the role of AI in classrooms. With AI transforming education, one question stands out: can AI truly replace teachers? Let's dive into this fascinating debate and find out. AI is already making waves in classrooms. It automates tasks like grading and attendance, provides instant feedback, and creates personalized learning paths for students. AI tools like adaptive learning platforms cater to each student's pace, ensuring a customized educational experience. While AI excels at handling data and processes, it lacks the emotional intelligence and creativity that teachers bring. Teachers act as mentors, providing emotional support and inspiring students to think critically. Teaching isn't just about information, it's about connection, empathy, and adaptability, qualities unique to humans. The future isn't about replacing teachers, but enhancing their capabilities. AI tools help reduce administrative burdens, enabling teachers to focus more on engaging with students. While AI is a valuable tool, it cannot replace the human connection, mentorship, and adaptability that teachers bring to the classroom. Teachers remain irreplaceable. Can AI replace teachers? What do you think? Can AI replace teachers, or is it just a tool to assist them? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights on AI in education.